Hi everyone, Babs here again. This is point number 4 on the Voices of Freedom Black History Walking Tour, where we highlight the significance and the stories of early black residents to Niagara-on-the-Lake. So why am I standing outside the Masonic Lodge, you might well ask? Well, the Masonic Lodge is perhaps one of the most important sites in black history here, because back in 1792, this is where Governor John Graves Simcoe held his first parliament in Upper Canada. John Graves Simcoe, there's a statue of him over there in that clump of trees because that park over there is Simcoe Park. So here we are back at the Masonic Lodge, and in the following year, in 1793, he introduced the first act to limit slavery, and it was the first of its kind, the first legislation of its kind on the road to abolition of slavery in the British Empire. It didn't mean that enslaved persons were immediately freed, oh no, but their children, when they reached age 25, would be free, and their children's children were automatically free. And the weird thing about it is, though, that an enslaved person could still be sold here in the province, which is pretty awful to think about, and they could be sold across the border. So it wasn't perfect, but it was the start. It was a full generation before the actual act to abolish slavery was actually finally introduced. But it did happen, and it all started right here. See you at point number 5 over there in St. Mark's.